What's up, guys? Today we got something cool for you. We've been focusing on the Can-Am X3 parts a lot, and we decided that we needed to bring our attention back to the XP Turbos and the XP Pros. With that being said, brought me a passenger. You know what that is. You've seen our X3 videos. Now it was time for the RZR to get some love. So this is our RZR E-valve exhaust. Here it is on our machine. This wasn't a polished one. It was just regular stainless, and it's seen a lot of mud and sand and water and more mud for testing, because we want to make sure that anything we put out is going to kind of be bulletproof. So we built one, we built another one, we changed some things, we built another one, and this one's been on the car now for, man, 3 months, probably 2 months at least. And then we finally set it to production, and we built this beautiful piece. This is one of two. So this is our 2.5-inch version, and of course for every 2.5-inch version it's got to be a 3-inch version, so stay tuned. There's gonna be a 3-inch one coming. On that version you won't be able to use heat shields and whatnot, but on this one it's just total OEM replacement, smooth transition for exhaust gases into our signature fishtail exhaust. Fully polished, all stainless steel, complete warranty, chain link flex pipe, O2 bung for the factory O2 sensor. You can spin this out and you can put a larger O2 sensor in for the older machines, or if you've got a data logger and you need the larger sensor, you're good to go there too. Under the hood of the RZRs, you got yourself a power supply. Oh man, that one's dirty. So up here, with all the rest of our accessories, you're just gonna go to 12-volt power and your ground. And it's literally simple as that. Once you've got it plugged in, you're gonna route your blue backlit custom toggle switch for your new E-valve exhaust to your dash, wherever you want it. There's plenty of slack. You're gonna run this harness out the back. You're gonna plug it straight into your E-valve. Literally that easy. This one to the E-valve, this one to power and ground. Simple as that. This RPM side-by-side RZR E-valve exhaust is hooked to an MBRP oval series muffler. It's slightly louder than the stock one, and it has no catalytic converter, and that's what makes it slightly louder. So for guys who have a stock muffler that's gutted, has a cat gutted, this is kind of what yours is going to sound like. So ours isn't exactly stock, but it's definitely not a loud exhaust or a loud muffler by any means. So here it is. Let's fire it up. here it is open. This is it closed. We're gonna start with it closed, and then we'll open and we'll do a little, you know, switching up. So here it is closed. Listen to that beautiful blow-off valve. The RPM side-by-side blow-off valve. Cruising about 25 miles an hour. That's it open. That's it closed. Back open. Alright guys, I know there's a lot of people who have been waiting for these to come out. They're finally here. They're on the website, rpmsidebyside.com, or any of our dealers. 3-inch version is coming soon. We don't have a whole lot of details on it yet because it hasn't even been tested yet, but there will be a 3-inch version of this. Stay tuned. Like our social media pages. That's where all the insider info's at. If you want one of these, pick it up. Alright guys, next video, back to the X3 again. Our muffler deletes are here. I need to install this puppy. We've prototyped a couple of them now. We've got them where we want them. And this will be our 2.5-inch Can-Am X3 muffler deletes. If you're in a state that requires a mask, we've got these dope RPM stretchy face masks, or if you're just riding in a dusty area, these things are legit. They kind of do a little bit of everything, just like your typical mask, you know, nice and stretchy. Pick these up on our website. Or maybe we'll kick a few out in the first couple RZR E-valve exhaust orders. We've also got some sweet snap koozies. These will be on the website soon. Let's pretend this is your beer. It's gonna be wrapping around it. Yeah, all kinds of new stuff. New keychains coming. Guys, get on the website, hit our apparel and merchandise stuff. Oof, you'll find some goodies there. That's it. We'll see you next time.